You don't know what you don't know. And that's what I tell anyone who's like, I'm thinking about buying a house, but don't run my credit, or I'm not ready yet. I just want to know what to do. Well, you don't know what you don't know. So what I mean by that is that you've got to get an application going. It doesn't matter if you are ready to go right now or in a year. You have to know where you stand. And the only way we can do that is if you fill out an application, and I can look at the credit report, and I can tell you the things that whether you're ready to go tomorrow or next year, I can tell you, okay, hey, here's what your credit score looks like. If you do X, Y, and Z, your credit score is going to bump up to this, and this is going to allow me to get you a better rate, a better program. Oh, now I know what your income looks like. I know if you're self-employed. I know if you're a student. I know what the income game is, so I can say, okay, hey, you're ready to go right now, or hey, you're going to be like super ready to go in 6 months because you'll have 2 years self-employment, or you have 1 year self-employment, or you are, whether you're going to get married or you're not. Like, I have to know the situation, so I can say, hey, here's where you are now, here's where you could be in a better spot, by increasing your credit score, having more down payment, or if you don't have a down payment, there's down payment assistance programs. I literally put people in homes all the time, all day long, without having to bring a dollar to the table, and it's amazing. I mean, like I said, veterans are getting their earnest money back, which that's the deposit you put down for a house. Like, you don't have to. And then there's people that's where you start. You don't know what you don't know, and you've got to just fill out the application. It costs you nothing. Maybe a couple points on your credit report. I can teach you how to get that back up 5-10 points up in 2 seconds. As soon as I pull that report, I can get those. That's a big thing that people say, like, no, I don't want you to run my credit because it's going to be a hit to my credit and it's going to cost me 10 points. Well, first of all, that's not true. Inquiry does cost you points, but it goes away over time. 1, 2, like I said, I can look at your credit report and say, hey, if you pay down this, that, or the other, if you do this, I can get your score back up 10 points, 20 points, 30 points, 80 points. So you just have to fill out the application. You have to get started. You just like anything you do, whether it's you in your own business, you have to just get started. You have to take action. And even if you don't sign on the dotted line on the closing table,